Breaking news, former FBI Director James Comey has been indicted. He is charged with one count of making false statements and another of obstruction of justice. Now, this is all related to a 2020 appearance that Comey made in front of the Senate Judiciary to answer questions related to Russian meddling in the 2016 election. Now, Attorney General Pam Bondi posted to social media writing, quote, "No one is above the law. Today's indictment reflects this Department of Justice's commitment to holding those who abuse positions of power accountable for misleading the American people. We will follow the facts in this case." And just moments ago, former FBI Director James Comey himself posted a video to Instagram sharing his response to the news that he's been indicted. Take a look.
My family and I have known for years that there are costs to standing up to Donald Trump, but we couldn't imagine ourselves living any other way. We will not live on our knees, and you shouldn't either. Somebody that I love dearly recently said that fear is the tool of a tyrant, and she's right. But I'm not afraid, and I hope you're not either. I hope instead you are engaged. You are paying attention, and you will vote like your beloved country depends upon it, which it does. My heart is broken for the Department of Justice, but I have great confidence in the federal judicial system, and I'm innocent. So let's have a trial and keep the faith.
Now, earlier, President Donald Trump indicated on social media to Attorney General Pam Bondi that he wanted her to go after people he deemed as his enemies, including James Comey and Senator Adam Schiff, among others. Now, this type of case where a president puts pressure on an attorney general to go after people he sees as his enemies is truly unprecedented. So earlier, I asked defense attorney and former federal prosecutor Scott Frederickson to explain just how unusual this really is.
You know, this goes to a fundamental building block of a democracy, where the power to charge someone criminally in the United States is always exercised by professional prosecutors. The Department of Justice historically has taken pains to isolate itself, to wall off the President of the United States. So there's no political pressure ever exerted on the Department of Justice, the Attorney General, the line assistant U.S. attorneys to bring this case or not to bring a certain case. And it appears that wall has been fully breached. And based on reports, it appears that this new acting U.S. attorney, no experience as a prosecutor, is taking direction from the President of the United States. Never happened before.